What are we doing today?
Put the Sonic CCs.
What?
Put in the Sonic CCs.
Put the Sonic CCs. We're gonna give Sonic characters a bath. I don't want a bath though. I don't want a bath though, but you're so dirty. I don't want a bath.
Please don't get me in the bath. I hate water.
Hey guys, my name is Shadow and I don't care about the water. Put me in there and I'll get her done. Oh, but don't forget about me. Save my world. Save my reality. Oh no, I'm not clean. What the heck? There's flies in my hair. Ah! Don't forget about me. I'm mysterious Dr.
There's flies on your butt, Eggman.
Mysterious Dr.
Eggman! Eggman!
Yes?
There's flies on your butt.
Let me see. Ah! My butt! My butt is dirty! Knuckles is here. I'm a little dirty too, guys. So anyways, I'll take a shower.
No, Dad, not put me in the shower.
You gonna put me in the shower too?
Please don't put me in the shower. No, you're coming with me. Nope, I'm not going in the shower. Miss me now, you gotta catch me. Miss me now, you gotta catch me.
We're gonna fill up some water for
Please,
Eli.
please don't do that. You're coming with me, Sonic.
So,
Oh no, not so. Oh no, no, you're not killing me. Knuckles.
but don't make a mess in the kitchen, okay? Keep it clean, okay? You don't got time to clean lots. So here's a towel to dry them when they're done, guys. Okay? And then here's a little scrub if you want to scrub a dub dub dub. Scrub a dub dub. Scrub a dub dub. Scrub a dub 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 dub. Alright, who's going first, guys? Who's going first?
What the? Ah! Swimming! I'm swimming! Scrub dub dub. Ah! Let's stop. Please not falling. I mean, please not. Get me falling.
Let me out of
Get in. The water says present is going in. Present. 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 No, come with me, Sonic. I'm going in the shower. Nope, I'm not. Sonic. Bye-bye. Look at I'm making little bubbles fall down. Not bubbles! I hate bubbles! Stop! Get me out of that water! Hey, I said! No, you come with me. You know me? No, I'm a pizza. I look so clean right now. Get in the pond. Stop drowning. Oh, soap! Ew! I'm okay. Please get me out of this. I'm crying right now. Nobody wants to use this video. I just jumping with the cannonball. Please don't rub me in the back. You did. You got me no soap. Scrub-a-dubba's coming. Right on the roll.
Look at them now. I'm Mr. Clean.
Stop it. Oh, Mr. Clean. At least there's something on my back.
Mr. Clean too, Dr. Eggman.
You're not supposed to be Mr. Clean because I'm Mr. Clean.
And I'm Mr. Clean too, guys.
Oh, Mr. Clean too, guys.
And I'm Mr. thing to guys. Now we have to put them through the scrubber dub and dry them, guys.
What? Okay, I usually do this. Okay. I was tired in the back. I fell asleep. Bubbles.
Hey guys. Well, I'm a good guy. Hey Tails, let's go. Hold my hand.
Hey, Bubba.
Yeah.
Let me tell you the power Knuckles and Saddle have. So, Knuckles has 100, so Saddle needs to beat it. Saddle has more than 100 power.
He does?
Yeah, so that means he beats him. He waves jump and then he twists his Knuckles' hair.
He does?
Yeah.
Okay, show me what Knuckles does. Ah, boom. Ah, boom.
Oh, yeah.
Ow!
Go! Go, Shadow! Go, Shadow!
Hey, don't forget about me. I'm the one who started this show, I told you. Ah, boom.
Boom! Hey, what about Tails? You need to try to fight us. Let's go!
Ah!
And you know,
I think
guys.
we're getting stuck together from the bath, guys. Look. We're getting stuck together.
Oh yeah, come on, Saddle. It's good. It's good to be back. It's good to be stuck together.
It's good to be back. It's good to be stuck
I don't.
together. Hold my hand and come down with me. We're gonna see what will it be.
I'm owning Saddle. Hey, let me go. Hey, that's another song that I'm doing.
No, Sonic, are you okay? Okay, guys, I'm back here. Alright, where are we gonna go while Eli goes to sleep, guys? Where are we gonna play?
Maybe I could smush you guys.
No, leave us clean because we're clean now. See, I don't want to be dirty anymore, so you can't throw us to the floor.
I'll throw you in the floor.
Oh, you are! Ow!
No, don't do that. They're gonna kick us out.
Yeah.
Whoa, they can do it! Whoa. Oh no, Sonic, are you okay? Sonic, are you okay?
Yeah, but I'm all dirty, guys. I don't know where Eli put me under the fridge for.
Don't worry, guys. Don't worry about Sonic. He's gonna be fine. Sonic,
Yeah?
today I'm Eggman's best friend.
No, you're not supposed to be Eggman's best friend. You grew up with me.
No, now I'm Eggman's. Too late.
Give me back my best friend. Get off me.
Get off of him!
Ah! What the heck?
Thumbs down.
I'm stuck.
You'll be Knuckles for a second.
Get off me.
That's what I do.
That's what I do. What I do, guys.
Eggman.
Yes?
We need to find a plan all together to fight Sonic.
Let's do it then.
Okay. So I'm gonna use my tail to fly so they don't see us, and then you guys can walk and distract them. So when I come down, I can get them.
Okay.
Okay. Distract them, guys.
Distract who?
Sonic and friends.
Distract them. Oh, look, guys, it's a fork. Oh, look, it's a fork.
Boom, boom, boom,
Ah!
boom. Gotcha! That was a good plan, Eggman. Give me that for a second. I need that to fly. I need this to fly. No.
No, you poked a hole in me. I'm not chicken nugget. I'm not chicken nugget. I'm not a chicken nugget. What the heck you put your fork in me for?
Thank you, do it, Tita Bobby.
I'm not spaghetti!
Imagine they cut his body.
No, my body's good.
They cut his ass.
Eli's playing with a plastic fork. It is not real though, so kids do not play with a plastic fork at home, okay? Don't play with a plastic fork at home, kids.
What did I say? Ow! Eggman!
I'm a good guy now. Tails. Oh, you can get Eggman because he's a bad guy.
No, he's a good guy, Bob.
Well, yeah, he's a good guy. Now, what are you doing trying to hurt good guys? I thought you were our friend.
No, and then remember I said I want to be Eggman's friend.
And you're not my friend.
No, and then...
I'm not chicken nugget.
See what he says.
What the heck? I can't see. I can't see, guys.
Walk. Papa, look.
No! Get off my friend!
Imagine Eggman turns into a bad guy again.
I'm going to give it smacks today. I'm giving some smackers today.
Eggman.
Give it smack.
Eggman!
Yes.
We need to make up a plan together, right?
Yeah. Hey guys, look at me, I can dance. Oh, look at Eggman, he's dancing.
I don't get that. Now we all stick up to a team and get them all.
No.
Wait.
For dinner.
Slip them in the back.
Good job, high five. High five, Tails. And the bad guys won. See you guys next time. Like, subscribe, and share the channel with everybody you see.
I'm gonna go, bye. We're gonna go to bed, bye.
Come on, guys, run. Good guys, say bye, guys.